Yeah, Zamboanga City motherfuckers. It's a paper underground with this outline assassin. A rebel with cause, click blast, fighting for a right like a MNLF. An activist with an activist, yo, this is a introduction. Representing the function as the personification of vegetation like a symphony. This shit is symphony, apocalypse all over. Go to end your life, game over. Fuck all of war, I'ma crucify you all. Cause I ain't gonna stop until the guillotine drop. When the blade hits a block, your head slowly drop. Now say your prayer, son, cause time is come. See how it will take you with a gallons of bull ready to split your hole.
Yo, as I formulate the battle plan and terminate the wagons, as if we blasting the bomb in front of the masses. We just came from the underground and set a new world order. We burned the entire city while we're playing our orchestra. We're the definition of pain, death and agony. Hip-hop underground, slaughtering the pop mentality. We're the punishers foretold from the prophecy, given order to eliminate all hypocrisy. With a slash of the sword, I'm the Shogo, I'm Akusa, I'm the Armageddon of the third world, new millennia, the Supremo Comandante. I'm the one they call the master. It is written in the scroll, so you better calla boca. With UPSHOT and top dogs, you better recognize we are the army of the streets. Now we stand before your eyes. We are the rebel that despise all the government lies. We wage the revolution, now you better take sides. From the south, now we conquer, the time for us to rise.
Click blast,
Zamboanga City, who also lead collaboration.
You're about to witness underground now before your eyes.
Present the pain and agony for the days of Allah.
From the south, now we conquer, the time for us to rise.
click blast,
Zamboanga City, who also lead collaboration.
You're about to witness underground now before your eyes.
Present the pain and agony for the days of Allah.
click blast,
UPSHOT, top dogs. From the south, now we conquer, the time for us to rise. You're about to witness underground now before your eyes.
He's the best, yes, this is the Z-Boys from Sulu. And we coming after you, going to murder you with this heavy lyrical lines that will blow your mind. An army of four, going to slay you all. UPSHOT and top dogs, raising our swords up high, soaring like a blue eagle. Gotta slay you with my desert eagle. I'm locking it and loading it. Gotta blow the shit till the stage collapses. Finally, all I can see is your corpses. We're back in business, saving the hopeless. Fuck the lifestyles of the rich and famous. Underground will always be the house of music. We ain't here for fame, we're here for a change. Ziad and Al Capone representing King La Familia, a German soldier, like cyclone coming at you. 20 years in the making, formulating, calculate every words that I spit that will penetrate your brain. Rebel music clinging in your ear, fucking queer. The young bloods of our generation is a sensation, no discrimination. Zamboanga City, whole also collaboration. Vision making history is a killing spree.
Slay dragons like I'm DOGZ. Battle like a slash to kill. I roll like a thunder from under, destroy your mortal gate. Holocaust and genocide, trespass is your demise. Ignorance and minimize, genocide without its spots. This whole world is going under, dead in every corner. Lost in the abyss, we never live to be immortal. We suffer from the wrath of the gods, resist the pain and the agony for the days of Allah.
From the south, now we conquer, the time for us to rise.
click blast,
Zamboanga City, who also lead collaboration.
You're about to witness underground now before your eyes.
Resist the pain and agony for the days of Allah.
From the south, now we conquer, the time for us to rise.
click blast,
Zamboanga City, who also lead collaboration.
You're about to witness underground now before your eyes.
Resist the pain and agony for the days of Allah.
click blast,
Zamboanga City, who also lead collaboration.
From the south, now we conquer, the time for us to rise.
Resist the pain and agony for the days of Allah.